đi thôi. Right, guys, good evening to everyone. And slowly we'll start our today's session, right? See, in our last session, we completed Python operators, right? And today we are going with one more important concept is called control statement. Control statement. Sir, before going to talking about the control statement, first we need to understand why control statement, sir. Why control statement? Now I am going to highlighting one thing. You will get more clarity. Okay, suppose guys, here I am going to writing the program is called addition of two number code. So already taken n1 is 50 value and n2 something called 10 value I take. And I taken third variable is called add is equal to n1 plus n2 I take it. Now I am going to print. Now I am going to print. Okay, here print. Okay, just the format way I am going to printing. Suppose if okay addition of two numbers is equal to just I take in the add, right? So this is a simple addition of two number code. Okay, then I given this code, my friends. Now I am going to executing this application, this code. So once you execute this code, here I given command is called Python and my file name is what code1.py. Hit enter button. Finally, we got the answer addition of two number is 60. But internally, the Python software, internally, the Python virtual machine can execute this file line by line. Means, okay, PVM first take a N1 value, next take a N2 value, and here N1, N2 value do operation with addition symbol. Again, can execute third line. Next, it will execute the fourth line. Sir. Means here code is going to executing in line by line and in sequence order. In sequence order. This kind of execution is called sequence of execution. Sequence of execution. But my friends, in real time, and as a developer, every time he don't want to execute his code in sequence order. Sometime he want to execute the code in non-sequence order also. So if you want to execute your code in non-sequence order, then we are going with the control statements. So control statements are statements, but those statements are going to executing with our decision based on our condition, based on our decision. That's why, okay, these are the decision making statements, or we can call control statements, right? So again, I am repeating. So while developing the application, as a developer, every time we are not going to executing our code sequence order. Sometime, sometime we are going to taking some decision based on our decision, based on our condition based, our code is going to executing. So that kind of statement is called decision making statements or control statements. Okay, I'm coming. Small definition will get more clarity. Here, the control statements is a statement which is execute the statement in non-sequence order. Control statement can decide which flow want to execute our statement. Flow of control. They make it possible to make decisions, to perform tasks repeatedly, or to jump from one section to the another section based on our condition. The non-sequence statement execute depends on condition and return either true or false value. Guys, again I am repeating, every non-sequence statement means every decision statements always return Boolean expression, either true or false value. So the concept what we call are control statement. So basically in your Python, the control statements are two types, sir. The first one is a conditional conditional control statements. Conditional control statements, sir. First one is a conditional control statement. The second one is a looping control statement. Okay, first one is conditional control statement. Second one is a looping control statements. Looping control statement. Coming from inside the conditional control statement, now we can see following statements. The first one is a if control statement. Second one is a if else control statement. Third one is if if else control statement. Look here, if control statement, if else, if else, and fourth one is a nested if control statement. Nested if control statement. So we have a four types of if else, if else, and nested if control statement. Coming from in looping, coming from looping, okay, coming from looping, the first one is for loop. First one is a for loop, and second one is a while loop. Second one is a while loop. Sir, in Python there is no do while, only while. And third one is a nested for loop. Very, very important. Nested for loop. Nested for loop. And fourth one, okay, fourth one, we can use the break also. We can use a break. And the fifth one will use a continue, and sixth one is a pass, and seventh one is a else suit. So these are the looping control statement. But guys, actually looping are three: for, while, nested, for. But inside the while loop we can use a break, continue, pass also. But else suit we can use along with if control statement and for while loop also. And we'll see practically one by one. Don't be confused. Just I given the what are the control statements one by one. Right? Now I am coming, sir. Okay, from this list, we will go with one by one clearly and practically. Okay, here these are the conditional control statement and these all are the looping control statement. Now, so from all this, now I am going to focusing on one by one conditional control statement. In conditional, at a time I am going to explaining you if and if else. If and if else. At a time I am going to explaining you. Okay, please understand. Then first I am going with if control statement. If control statement. Sir, how if will be work? We'll see diagrammatically and I will provide the syntax and we'll see few example also will get more clarity. Guys, if always first check condition. Check condition. Okay, if what will do? First check condition. First check the condition. Check the condition. The condition is true. The condition is true. Then statement executed. Statement executed means the block of the code is executed. In case condition is false. condition is false. No statement is printed, sir. No statement is printed. Understand the definition. Understand the definition. Okay. Understand the definition here clearly. Okay. So in if what happened? If always check the condition. The condition is true. Then the statement is executed. In case condition is false, no statement is printed here. No statement is printed. Now I am coming with one flow chart. You will get more clarity, sir. Later we'll come with a syntax also. And sir, here understand, guys. You guys are the beginners. Okay, if you understand with one flow chart, you will get more clarity, right? Now, what is the flow chart? Suppose, guys, this is nothing but my starting point. Okay, starting point. Now this is nothing but my input value. Some input value I given. Here I given one input value. And with this input value, and this one indicate the our condition block. Condition block, sir. So this block indicate condition means our condition name is what? If. Okay, if. And here you can give a condition. Our condition with colon. Colon indicate the our our if condition body. Okay. Then if the condition, so the condition is true. Okay, the given condition block is true. And here the block of the code is executed. So which one I given the box here? Yes, sir. This box means what? Our block means statements, multiple statements. Means or we can say that block of the codes. Block of the code means multiple statements here I given. So the block of the code is executed. Come to the point, sir. Means the given condition is true, then block of the code is executed. And after executed the code, directly go to the end part. Means directly our code will be terminated. Look here. And one more scenario, in which case, in true case, sir, with our input value, condition is false. Condition is a false. Condition is false, sir. In case condition is a false. Suppose if condition is a false, means if it is false, what happened? No statement printed. No statement printed, sir. Nothing will be printed. Please understand. No statement is printed, guys. Again, I am repeating. So this is our input value. Okay, this is our input value, sir. Guys, understand clearly with our input value. With our input value, if the given condition is true, then block of the code is executed and come to the end part. In case the given condition is false, no statement is printed. No statement is printed. So this is our flow chart. Now here I given the start, and here I given the end parts. Then the syntax, how we can write? If here you can use our condition block. Condition, just use a colon, open, colon indicate the our condition body. Then after giving the colon, please give the one tab space. One tab space, and there you can read the statement one, and here statement two. Like this, how many statements are required? That many statement you can write and close it. Simple. This is nothing but our syntax. Syntax. Sir, understand the flow chart. And here I given the syntax also. Now coming syntax. Syntax will tell you how to write the code. How to write the code, sir. Like this you given. And now we'll see few example, you will get more clarity. Suppose guys, suppose here, okay, program number one with if condition, sir. If, okay, write a Python program, okay, to check, okay, the given number is a positive. Guys, understand, write a Python program to check the given number is a positive, sir. Look here, suppose n1 is equal to, suppose I take in the 10 values, sir. Then how we can do? So just write the if condition. Okay, just n1, if you want to prove the given number possible, sir, n1 value is more than 0. Okay, if it is satisfied. And now when you hit it, colon indicate the function, mean our condition body. And automatically it will take the one tab space. So with tab space, how many lines you are going to writing? All are in if block statements. Here I am writing, sir, print now n1 comma, okay, is a positive, like this I give in the output. So in case, so your n1 value is not a 10, minus 10 a given, so our condition is a false, then automatically no statement is going to printed. Now same application here I am going to showing you practically, you will get more clarity. So now coming to the point, sir, this is nothing but our code case. Okay, look here. Okay, tab space. Guys, understand. Okay, understand. Okay, in first case, we are going to saving on and just I am running this code. Okay, 10 is positive. 10 is a positive. Means, n value is more than 0. So that our condition is satisfied and the block of the code is executed. Suppose this time I given the minus 10, sir. With minus 10, our condition is not satisfying. So no statement is printed. So what I am telling, if condition is okay, printing the statement. Condition is not okay, no statement is printed in your if condition. Right? So this is our first application. And similarly, I am going with one more application, sir. Second application. Okay. Then, write a Python program. Okay. To check the given number. The given number is a even, sir. Is even. So if you want to prove the number is even, what happened? Again, I am writing n1 is equal to 12 I given, sir. How we can write, put the if condition? Sir, remember relational operator. N1, okay, percentile 2 exactly is equal to 0. Guys, understand. Our n value, okay, with our given n1 value, divisible with 2 and remainder is 0, then what happens, sir? N1, okay, N1, okay, is a even number. Even number. Otherwise, odd number. Otherwise, nothing but a if else condition. We are coming that part. Okay. Again, I am going to showing this code. Understand in two cases. Second application. Okay. Here only I am going to executing. Okay. Please understand. Second application. Here I given the comment. In first case, I'm removing here minus. Okay, now at a time we are going to execute two applications, sir. No problem. Okay, right. Okay, here. Look here. What happens, sir? 10 is positive and 12 is a even number. Suppose in second case, guys, instead of 12, I given 121. Now tell me, sir, here is it 121 is even number or odd number? Even number or odd number, sir? Anyone, please?
121
So
is
odd
odd
number.
number.
So odd number
Odd
means what?
number,
Odd
sir.
number remainder is not a zero, right? Not a zero. And in this case, our condition is not satisfying and no statement is printed. Now we can see execution. This time, no output is printed. So this is the scenario. We can go with the if control statement. If control statement. Now here I given, some example, this part, sir. Right? Sir, we have so many problems. Okay, today I'll highlight you. Guys, which problem now we are doing? Okay, with relational operator and with logical operator. Which problem statement I given in my booklet? Today, all the problem you can do with if and if else control statement only. Then next, so this is the story about our if control statement. Now I am going with if else, sir. In if what we are doing, if condition is true, block of the code is going to executing. In case condition is false, no statement is going to printing, right? But in if else, we are going to printing true statement and a false statement also. True and a false statement. I am coming, sir. Okay, okay, if if else if else in if else control statement if the if condition. Okay, just I'll repeat that stupid, sir. Okay, 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 the if check condition check condition, the condition is true, condition is true, block of the code is executed, block of the code is executed in case condition is false, condition is false, takes else and print false statements, print false statements, sir. Print false statement. So if else what will do? If condition is okay, printing the block of the code. And to block of the code is executed. In case condition is false, takes else, print the false statement. So this is like a yes or no option. If it is okay, yes. Not okay, take else and no, sir. Now I am coming. Okay. Now I am coming with flow chart. Okay. Guys, here same diagram I am taking but small change. Okay, same diagram but small change. Control C. Okay, Control V. Here I am ready. The first diagram is nothing but a if. Guys, it is a if block. It is a if. And the next, this flow chart is nothing but a if a else control statement. If else control statement. Now I am coming. Hmm, right. Give me 1 minute. Right. Guys, understand here in if else, in a if else with our input value, if the condition is true, block of the code is executed and coming to the end part. Coming to the end part, sir. In case. In case with our input, the condition is false. Condition is false. Takes else, takes else and print the false statement. Sir, here we are going to printing the statement. Understand? Print false statement, sir. Okay, print false statement. Print a false statement. Print a false statement, sir. Print a false statement. Print a false statement. This is our flow chart, sir. Again, I am repeating. So with our input, if the condition is true, block of the code is executed. In case condition is false, takes else and print the false statement and come to the end point. Okay. Now here I am coming with syntax. Coming with syntax. Syntax means what? If, and this is our condition. This is nothing but our condition. Okay. If condition is okay, print the, here I given the block of the code. Means multiple statements, block of the, okay, block of the code, sir. block of the code is executed. Okay, then suppose our condition is false. Take else. Again, take the else block and print here. Print which statements are? Okay, false statement. False stmt is going to printing. So this is our syntax for if else control statements. Okay, here I am giving that syntax part. Now we'll see some example. You will get more clarity here. Sir, today you have a so many problem statement with if and if else. Be ready for that. Okay, I will show 3 or 4. Later you can go with yourself. Again, I am repeating the same programs are here. Which one I given here? Okay, the first program is write a Python program to check the given number is a positive or a negative, sir. Understand, sir? Look here, the given number is positive or a negative. Positive or a negative, sir? Positive or negative? How we can check? Look here. Okay, now I am going with what happened. Okay, now n1 is equal to, I take n1 value, but you guys are take by using input function, sir. Just I take in the 12 number I taken. Now I am checking if you want to prove the positive number, n1 is more than or equal to 0, just colon block. If it is okay, just here I given the print. What I am doing, sir, n1, okay, single quote is a positive number. Just positive number. Like this, I given the message. In case, condition is for take else block, and here you can write, print, okay, n1, okay, is a what? Negative number, sir. Negative number. Like this, we are going to writing the code. Control C. So this is the first application. I am coming here, sir. Here number is positive or negative. Now I am coming, sir. If it is okay, write. Not okay, take else colon, and here you can write print. So please in the same loop. Okay, print n1. Okay, n1. What happens, sir? Is negative. Like this, I am going to printing. Control S. Now I am going to executing that code. Understand, sir. Suppose if you run this code, okay, is a positive because of 10 is positive. Suppose -10 I given, sir. And if you give -10, this condition is false. So that this one is not executed. Take else and print the n1 is negative. Look here. So first time 10 is positive. And the second case, what happens, sir? -10 is a negative number. That is the if else control statement. If else control statement, sir. The next one. Sir, write a program to check the given number is even or odd. Even or odd. Even or odd numbers. Then what happened this time? Okay, same condition, but after this one, you can put else block, then write the print, sir. Okay, what happened? Same statement here. You can write it. Okay, n1 is okay. Which number? Odd number. Odd number. Now I am going to executing this statement. Please understand. Control S. So guys, here n1 is nothing but a, okay, 121. So 121 is nothing but odd number, right? Okay, means a condition is false. This one is going to printing. Sir, instead of 121, suppose here I am going to using 120. So this 120 number exactly divisible with 2 and give the remainder 0, and so that happens, sir. 120 is a even number. Like this, we are going to, okay, writing the code for if else control statement. Okay, I'll give one more. Okay, one more, sir. Suppose one more, sir. Third application. Write a Python program to check given person valid for vote or not? Vote or not? Please, anyone tell me, sir. Anyone response how we can write this code? Vote or not?
Sir, first of all, we have to write if, sir. Then
First,
give the permission.
first you can take input, right?
Yes, sir.
First you
First
can take.
input.
uh,
N1 is equal to 18.
don't take N1. So we are going to prove it vote or not, sir.
Age, sir. We have to take age
Age.
equals
Yes.
to 18.
Very
Taken
good.
age is
Age. Int of. And now you guys write like this, right? Please. Input of. Then
Enter
take.
the age.
Enter. Okay.
Yes,
Your.
you will it.
Enter your
Age.
age. Like
age.
this, we can take it. So this is the real usage. Then what we will do if and right, sir. If you want to
Age.
prove age, what happened? Age value is more than 18. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If yes, here I am writing what happened? Valid for vote. Valid for vote.
Yeah.
Array, suppose less than 18 they given, right? Print what will, sir?
Not valid for
Not
vote.
Not valid for vote.
valid for vote. Control yes, sir. I hope you understand. Now I am going to executing. Sir, now I am going to showing so many problems. We can do like this only. Now executing, sir. Enter. Asking the age. Suppose 17 I given, sir. Now tell me 17. Now tell me, with 17 is condition true or false?
It's false, sir.
False,
It's
sir.
not valid for vote.
Good. Not valid for vote. Again, I am going to execute. This time I given 21. Tell me, is valid or not valid?
Yes, it is valid
Valid
for vote,
still.
sir.
Please, like this, you can think logically. Right? Simple story, sir. Array, simple example I given. Okay. I know you are following me. I'm very happy. Okay. This is our
Thank you, sir.
application. Okay. I'm very happy with your response. Thank you. Guys, now I'm coming with our booklet. So today what we will do, okay, everyone what we will do, open our booklet. Okay, in booklet I given so many problem statements. Okay, which one I given with relational operator and logical operator. Those problems you guys are doing with if and if else control statement. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, are you there? Need a response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose, hmm, suppose here some problems I am taking, sir. Okay, this is the problems. Okay, some problems I am taking from here. Okay, I'll tell you three or four problems. You will get more that, right? Okay, right. This already I given. Please, which one I given? Relational and logical operator. Okay, all are you can do with if else. Now here condition for sum of two numbers equal to 10, sir. Okay, now this one I am going to using the writing the code with if else control statement. How I can write? Okay, please understand. Please understand. Here I given the com. See, what is the problem statement? Condition for sum of two numbers equal to 10. That means what? Here n1 value I taken 10 and n2. Suppose n1 value is 5. Okay. And n2 value also 5. Sir, here I statically taken, but you guys have take by using keyboard. Then here I am giving, sir, if some means what? Now I am going to do sum. Suppose, add sum is equal to n1 plus n2. Now I am checking. How to check? If sum exactly is
Equal
equal
to is
to
equal
10.
to. Then, yes, sir.
If it is okay. Okay. Equal. Am I right? Equal, sir. Suppose not okay. Else,
Not equal.
what I will do, sir? Here you can take not equal. Sir, here I am giving, logical thinking power. Right? Now I am going to executing this code, sir. What happened? Equal is coming. Suppose here, n2 value I given the 15, sir. Means, if you do sum, here what happened? 55. 55 is not equal to 10. So that automatically give the not equal. Guys, like this, you can write the code for all the problem statement. Right? Please understand. The next one. Slowly I am coming down. Coming down, sir. Next problem. Condition for first two numbers multiplication equal to third number. It is also look like same. This is asking what? What? Multiplication. First I given sum, right? Now I am going with sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come with this problem statement. Control C. Sir, few example I am going to showing you. Condition for first two numbers multiplication equal to third number. Suppose, first number is 5 and second number is nothing but a 5, sir. So what is the third variable is what? Something multiplication. Multiplication. Sir, write completely. Don't write, ABC. ABC is not valid here. Multiplication means n1 into n2. Now I am doing multiplication. Okay. Two multiplication number exactly with third number. Suppose my third number is nothing but a 25 I taken. Suppose here I taken n3. N3 is nothing but 25 I taken, sir. So instead of 23 here I will give the n3 value I taken. Okay. If it is okay, we'll give the equal. Not okay, not equal, sir. Clear my point? Need your response, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, are you following me? How we are going to, converting our problem statement as a programmatically. So language are very easy. Okay, if you feel difficult, it is difficulties. The next condition for average of four numbers greater than 60, sir. Look here, one more problem statement I am giving. Okay, average of four number greater than 60. Now here I am writing the code, sir. Means what I will do, n1 number I taken is suppose n2 number I taken, suppose n2 number is 17. Okay, the next n3 number I taken 40, and then similarly n4 is equal to I taken something 12 number I taken. Some average. How to do, sir? AVG is equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4 by 4. This average value is more than 60, right? More than 60. So that what we will do, here you can put the values, sir. So then use average more than or equal to 60. 60. Then if it is okay, greater, not okay, okay, not greater. Are you understand? Like this you can use it. Simple. Okay, here you can use that. Not greater, not matching. Like this, randomly you can take values and you can write all the code with if else control statement. So similarly, here I given so many problem statements. Sir, here I given three problem statements, right? Okay, do for me and send in chat box or no. Please, everyone. మీరు ఇది చేశారనుకో, ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ డూ ఇట్ అండ్ సెండ్ మీ this three problem statements. Not only three, we have so many. Please do it and send me in your chat box, guys. I'm waiting for you. Guys, everyone do the program and send me in our chat box. Very good, nice. Okay, good.
పంపిలే ఇంకా నువ్వు ఒకరు పంపించిన రెండు పంపించా condition is for okay, very simple.
What about others, hero? Okay, only Bhargavi is sending. Remaining so many students are there here. Sir, are you following him or not?
ఇప్పుడు పంపించావు కదా
పంపించాను
మరి నీది ఎందుకు చెప్పట్లేదు
So, what is my request here? Sir, here, these all are the problem, which one I given with, logical operators and which one I given with relational operator. Relational operator, sir. These all are the problems, these all are the problems. These are the programs. Now you can do with if else control statement. And tomorrow send me in your chat box. Okay? Now today I am sending these notes. Please make a notes at your home and read one or more time. Then only you will get more clarity, sir. Okay? And any queries regarding this one?
Uh,